Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn shapes, but we'll learn in different way. So for learning shapes, I have one toy. This toy. What is this? Shape sorting. So how many shapes are there? 20 shapes. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow! This is a box, and inside it there are different shapes. Like we can see, this is semicircle. Okay, and here we can see different type of shapes in all the sides. See, one more shape came out. Which shape is this? Heart. This is a heart. Let's open it. I think from here it will open like this. And now I'll take out all the shapes. So here we have different shapes. So let's see one by one. This is heart. This is a heart. This is star. This is a star. Triangle. Rectangle. What is this? This is a hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is hexagon. What is this? This is a circle. What is this? This is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. And this one is semicircle. This is a semicircle. What is this, kids? This is a cross. This is a cross. What is this? This is a square. This is a square. And rest we have the copy of these shapes. Let's see. What is this? This is hexagon. Okay, so 2 hexagons. Next, I have rectangle. So I'll keep it here. 2 rectangles. Next, I have circle. So I'll keep it here. So now there are 2 circles. Okay, let's keep it little aside. Next I have star. So I'll keep it here. So I have 2 stars. This is triangle. And here I'll keep the another one. So here we have 2 triangles. Square. So I'll keep it here. So now there are 2 squares. Next I have trapezium. And now there are 2 trapeziums. Heart. I'll place it here. 2 hearts. Cross. So 2 cross. This is semicircle. So here there are 2 semicircle. Very good. Okay. So now we'll do one task. I'll take this shape box and I'll insert all the shapes according to the shape given over here. Okay, so first I'll take star. This is star shape. Let's find the star shape. So this shape is not the correct one. This is semicircle. this is heart, and this one is triangle. But we have, which shape is this? This is a star. So let's find star. What is this? This is rectangle. And what is this? This is square. And finally, we found star. This is star. So let's see if it is getting inside or not. So it's getting inside. So it went inside very easily. Okay. So the next shape I will take is this. This is rectangle. So let's first try over here. And this one is not getting inside. Oh, it went inside. So this is also correct. Next I'll take this shape. This is semicircle. Let's see where it is. Here it is. So I'll keep it on this shape and I'll leave it like this. Next I have rectangle, and here it will not go inside. Here also we don't have rectangle shape. This one is hexagon, this one is cross, and this one is trapezium. Oops, it came out. So I'll keep it once again inside. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. So here we have rectangle, and now I'll insert this one like this. So quickly I'll do all the shapes. Like this is star. This one is circle. So where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. This is circle. Again I have another circle, and that also I'll insert here. This one is heart. So I need to find out heart shape. No. Here also no. Here I have this heart shape. Next, another heart shape. This is hexagon. So where is it? Here it is. This is hexagon. And another one. Next I'll take square. Here it is. This is square. So I'll insert one square and two square. And now I'll take this shape. This is trapezium. So here I have this shape. Oops, it came out. But this is the right shape. Okay. 1 and 2. Next I have cross. 1 and 2. Next I have this triangle. So I need to find out the triangle shape, and this is here. So number 1 and number 2. And finally I have the semicircle like this. So we have inserted all the shapes in this box. So finally we have completed our task, the activity. So I hope you like this video, kids, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.